So as we don't have a lot of drift action here, oh my god, I need the car hood. Just give me a second. That's much better. So as I was saying, as we don't have a lot of drift content lately, and I'm not gonna have any drift content for the next month, probably for sure, and I'm doing some other side quests at the moment. So I was thinking, my aim was not always making drift content and only about this, but I wanted to document and give you the whole thing, the whole project and all of my ideas. I cannot tell you 100% what I'm building here because I have the idea and I have the end goal, but I'm still not quite 100% sure how I'm gonna do it and the whole concept of it and stuff like this. So because as you have seen on GetzoFactory.com, we also have car parts and accessories for sale. So I'm trying to make something more out of it, but this will all support my adventures and building cars and racing. So yeah, anyway, let's go for shopping because I have to do some construction work today to close up some gaps I have, and then I can start making some new furniture and stuff I have to do and make this place to something I've been planning for a long time. Now this is the hardest part, is taking out all of this, because I'll have to push it to fix it. So as you see here, I'm trying to prepare the surface to make it more flat, because I didn't leave it flat last time. So then our goal is here to extend this barrier until the top. So we fully isolate the storage room and the bathroom with the coffee shop vendor area here. You will see what I mean. I am by no means any construction worker who have a little bit of understanding of what and how to do. Mostly my school is YouTube, but I do like to do stuff by myself. So my hands, no knives, no guns. I'll fight it, I'll fight it. Guys, so another day here in the office. Small update. I did make a little bit of progression yesterday from the second wall. As you see, this part I'm already finished, so we're quite done here. The only thing is left now is to scrap and paint all of this thing, and then I have to finish the second wall, which will be up here and like this. But I didn't have enough of material, so now I'm going shopping to get, I think, more 10 blocks, I think, or 15 I need. Yeah, making some coffee and heading out to Leroy Merlin to get some stuff, because I want to finish this wall today, so I can start making some other stuff around and not think about the storage space, because I want to paint it. I want to move the decktions back to its place. Yes, because this guy will go here. That one will stay there, because I also have to find a way and what to do with the shelving on the second dection I have, because the second dection I have I did quite modified it. It's smaller so it can fit the wheels on, but now as I don't need to bring the wheels to the workshop, because I also don't want the smell to be inside here, especially the new tire or the used one. So I'm gonna store the tires in another space. Anyway.
Waiting for whatever, and I have no doubt I'm gonna wait forever until it comes around. Past controls the future. I'm living in the past. My better days surround me. Inside my looking glass, I know you'll show up someday. You're always in my head. I don't go searching for you. Just wait.
What's up, Tomodachis? So, another week. As you see, we finished the wall by extending the wall and making the room fully separated from the rest. Here we're gonna put a Japanese style curtain. So today I've already started disassembling my old bar where I had the fridge, where I had the drinks, where I had everything. That corner there. So I did disassemble it to rebuild it into something bigger and a lot nicer. Yeah. So I'm keeping everything as low cost as possible, and I'm reusing my old material. Reusing the old material I have. The only thing I bought is these huge logs, because I wanted to be like a small Tokyo coffee shop vendor or something. So yeah, this is basically going to be the theme here. We're building indoor vendors. There's gonna be 2 of them. And one of them, which we're building now, is the coffee shop, the drink shop. So basically like a small stop to have a chill conversation or have a coffee inside the workshop. So it's gonna be fun. Anyway, let's get building. So as you see, guys, we're almost finished with the base of the vendor here. Basically what's left now, I gotta go shopping because I have no other long wood finish, because I need a longer wood here, and then put some roof tiles here to make it like a small, let's say when you're sitting here on a stool, have some lights, warm lights here. And then up there we're gonna put like something like plastic, almost transparent background with some stickers on top and backlight, or warm backlights from the back. So now I'm gonna be into fixing the shelves from the back side, because on the front side we're gonna cover this here. So there's a lot of free space here, so you can just let me show you. The idea is that you can have 2 seats here for people when they come over for some coffee or something. So they have chance to sit here at the bar with me in the back, have the coffee machines here, have everything what we need. Yeah, warm, nice lights here. Gotta work a little bit more on the background later, with some shelves, with some more, I don't know, we will see. Gotta make some lanterns later on, and generally try to make it like more atmospheric and a workplace or just a chill out coffee place. And also then we have the TV here in the background, so we can even maybe use also this place as a photo background-ish, trying to make it like a cool thingy here. Yeah, let's keep working and let's try to make this place even more awesome.